Okay guys, today we're installing the Bluetti Charger 1. It recharges my Bluetti power station. That power station runs my lights, my fan, my laptop, my fridge, and all the other power hungry devices that I have. All right, so let's get right to it.
So here's the negative cable for the Bluetti Charger 1. You come over here, we have the positive cable for the Bluetti Charger 1. We trace these back. Where there's an existing bundle going through the actual firewall. It's a pain in the neck to get that through there. Right in this area here, there's a grommet that goes through the firewall. Well, I had to go ahead and use that grommet to run my cables through. So anyway, the wires came in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect the red positive wire to the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is mounted on my board. It goes up and around, down, and comes back in and connects directly to the back of the Charger 1, right next to the black negative wire. Okay, now that we have power coming in, we're going to have that power come out to charge our station. Okay, these wires are going to come out and they're going to go to MC4 connectors. The MC4 connectors are going to have to be connected to an adapter. The adapter turns into a XT60, which will plug into your Bluetti station. So I have that coming down here, that wire goes up here, and it goes into our Bluetti 200 V2 power station.
So let's visualize what the Charger 1's actually doing.
Okay, so what we're looking at now is the Bluetti app. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on Supercharger. That is my Bluetti Charger 1, my new name for it. So I'm gonna click on each of these so you can see exactly what's going on behind there. So you can check them out and see what's happening. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the voltage coming off my battery, going to the Bluetti Charger 1, 13.2 volts. And then over here, we're going to click on the Charger 1 and how much power is coming out of the Charger 1. 500 watts. And going to the power bank, 48 volts. And current is 10.5 amps. That's with the car on. So I'm going to shut it off, and you're going to notice these numbers here, they're going to drop significantly to 0 actually. Okay, there we go. It's at 0 watts.
All right, if you guys found value in this content, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps the channel. If you hung with me this far, I just wanted to let you know that in the next video, I'm going to be covering my Bluetti Elite 200V2, and I'm going to show you a little bit about how the electrical system works in the van. I hope you enjoy your next 24 hours, man, because that's all we get. And I hope to see you in the next one.